Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to our Canva Live workshop series. We're so excited to take you through the steps of mastering your social media strategy for your brand. I'm Katy, and I'm with Canva. I'm a design school educator. This 8-part series will dive into how to successfully launch your brand on social media. The episodes in this series will explore 4 major stages of developing your brand on socials: planning, creating, getting seen, and connecting. We'll be hearing from social media marketing expert Morgan and designer Hannah, as well as some industry experts to learn how to design a campaign that will have your audience excited to interact with your business. So, I'll let them introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Morgan from Canva. I'm a social media manager and I've worked in social for about 5 years. I've been involved across social marketing and creative strategy. I'm looking forward to helping you launch an amazing social campaign for your brand.
Hi everyone, I'm Hannah from Canva. I'm a product designer here working in Canva's editor. I've worked in product design for a few years now and in advertising and design for a few more than that. I'm really excited to guide you through creating designs for your brand's first social media campaign.
We'll also be hearing from some industry experts who feature in our design school courses. We have Rodolfo Otamendi, a strategist at Example, and George Redmond, director of Waza Media. All right, in this workshop, we're gonna give you all the tools you need to set up an impactful social media marketing campaign for your brand. Here are some of the things we're going to explore. First of all, we're going to talk about how do you find the exact audience you need to expand your brand. 2, we're going to talk about creating a simple marketing campaign, and then how you can create the assets for that campaign easily in Canva. We're going to assess, how do you know if your campaign is working by measuring the metrics available? We're going to create content strategy to help you plan your content in advance. And then lastly, we're going to discuss how to build a community around your brand. In this next episode of the series, we'll explore how to begin developing your social media marketing strategy. So you don't want to miss this one because it helps set the foundation for the rest of your campaign. Make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you never miss out on a new episode when they're published. See you next time.